Hey yo, it's Chris O. I've cut my cuts for the shower, so I'll just pop them in. I haven't done against this aluminium yet, but I'll do that shortly.
Yeah, so all the pins are there for the power points. So there's one.
That's the owner behind me.
Yep.
I've just arrived, him and his wife,
Yep.
on a Monday morning. I don't expect them to be here too early because they're working here 7 days a week. But once they move in with an ensuite and their bedroom up and running, it'll be a bit like glamping. Yeah. Just want to raise that up just a little bit, couple of mil. Pop them in, Chriso. Nice. I like it. Nice. Always checking your corners just in case you sort of bump one. And knock the corner off. Bit more glue there, Chriso. When a DIY does a bathroom, I'm sure you feel absolutely tickled pink, because it's a sense of achievement, DIYs. See how I've mitered this tile? I've glued that down actually, but I need to just bring it up a bit more glue. I've actually mitered that tile so it gets over the aluminium, so I have a nice, what it looks like is a grout line, but it's a water stop. It's a water stop, folks. Very important. Very, very important for waterproofing a shower properly. Check it. Tilt your level over like that. Always give it tilt, and then you can see if that it's nice and straight, there's no gap underneath. So we're good to go. Right, I'm on the line there. Not quite. Get over a bit, Chriso. Where is my sanding block? We'll just tickle up that edge. Take the sharpness off it. Gently tap it into place, throw a wedgie in, that's my cut edge. Give it a little bit of a tickle up just to take the sharpness off it. I like to lay my tiles when I split them. I like to lay them close together, but it all depends what you want to do. Some blokes use a clip and they have that grout line. I like them tight. I don't like seeing the split. I'm not a I've never liked splits, but in this case I'd rather have splits because I love the strip terrain. I'll just tap that in nicely. I love it. Feel that? It's good to the bare foot, because that's what it's all about. Give that one a tickle up. Couple of clips. And you can see that this is going to come out as a beautiful, beautiful share. I always try to do what I would have myself in my own place. DIYs don't go, oh, she'll be right, the missus won't see it. No. Don't be like that. Or the old The old saying used to be, "She'll be right, mate, grout her up." Nah. If your job looks good before it's grouted, well then it looks amazing when it is grouted. If you dig that one. I hope everyone is enjoying my channel. There we have it. Just tap that down. Just tap that down a little. Oh, nice. If you have any glue, just check it out the next morning before you start on your walls. If you have any glue in your lines, kick out your clips the next morning, your glue is still green,